What's up, guys? Today Amy and I are changing things up a little bit. Instead of heading into the Berico Hills, we're actually headed to the downtown area of Vicenza. It's going to be an incredible ride. You might not expect it, but they have trails right near downtown and it's awesome.
Right as Amy and I were about to drop into the trail, we actually ran into a fan of the channel, Leonardo, and he was telling me about how they recently did some work here on the backside of Monte Berico, and I had seen a drop before that I was really looking forward to checking out today. So we sight it once, and then I come back in just a little bit to actually hit it. As you can see, it's a super simple trail system, double track that winds all the way from the top to the bottom, and it's frequented by hikers, but there's also plenty of cyclists that like to come and check it out. It's super fun and the terrain is surprisingly steep. After Leonardo and I got a full top to bottom lap in, we decided to go session a few things and had Amy pull out the camera. This little park here in Vicenza has a super special place in my heart. It's actually the first mountain biking trails that I rode after we moved here. I found some other mountain bikers when I was out riding down the road, and I decided I was just gonna follow along and see where they brought me. This ended up being the spot, and I was not disappointed.
That's a new line too.
If you're here for the thumbnail, not to worry. Those stairs earlier were just a warm-up. Leonardo told me that he likes stairs, and I had no idea what I was in for. It's about to get real.
Had to do it.
After all 192 of those steps, hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tell me where to ride next.
That's awesome.